In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a chat box to Squarespace, a great way to enhance your website's interactivity. Let's get started with these step-by-step instructions to help you integrate a chat feature smoothly and efficiently. First, we're heading over to Common Ninja. This is the platform where we can create our chat widget. Once you've landed on the Common Ninja site, look for the Widgets section. Clicking on Widgets is your entry point to accessing a variety of helpful tools that can be added to your website. Next, use the search bar to type in Chat. This will bring up several options, but the one we're looking for here is labeled All-in-One Chat. Go ahead and click on it. By choosing All-in-One Chat, you're opting for a comprehensive solution that aggregates different chat services into one neat little package on your site. Once you've selected All-in-One Chat, you'll want to proceed by clicking on Create an All-in-One Chat. This is where you start personalizing your widget to fit the communication needs of your site. With your chat widget now created, the next step is to click on Publish. This ensures that all your setup efforts go live and your chat widget becomes available for embedding. Now, don't overlook the importance of saving your widget settings. You'll find an option to Speed Widget. Click on it and your widget will be safely stored. After saving, you'll need to choose a folder where you'd like to store your chat widget. This is a simple yet often forgotten step that keeps your work organized. Then click on Save Changes. This permanentizes any adjustments you've made to your widget setup, so double-check that everything is in order before proceeding. Now, locate the Copy Code button. Clicking this will copy the necessary embed code for your chat widget that you'll integrate into your Squarespace site. Alright, let's shift over to your Squarespace dashboard. You'll start by clicking on ADD Block. This step is crucial as it's where you'll insert the chat functionality on a specific page of your website. Once the block is added, select Embed. This option allows you to integrate external content, such as our chat widget, directly into your page. Now, head over and click Edit on the newly created Embed block. This is setting the stage for the code you'll insert next. From here, proceed to Code Snippet. This is where the real magic happens, as it's the option that allows us to place scripts and codes into your Squarespace setup. Next, click Embed Data, and paste the code you previously copied from Common Ninja. This step binds the code to your Squarespace page. Finally, save your progress by clicking Save. With this, your chatbox should now be active and fully functional on your website. And there you have it, a fully integrated chatbox on your Squarespace site. Implementing this feature can remarkably boost customer interaction, providing a